What's up, guys? Today for this video I'm gonna make a fidget spinner, like a DIY tutorial. So here's the materials. So you need 4 bearings. I have 4, I'm just showing you one. Then you need paper towel, rag, just anything, clean them off with. You need a hot glue gun or like strong glue. Then you need a lighter. You need a knife. You need a shoelace, kind of thick one. Then you need, like for the hot glue gun, the glue. So those are the materials that we need to make it. And so now I'm gonna show you. Okay, so first step, you wanna clean off like grease or anything if you have it on your bearings. So my bearings are kind of dirty, so I'm gonna clean them up, clean off the grease and stuff. So yeah. Alright, so you're gonna want to have the fastest one in the middle. So this is my fastest one. And you're gonna kind of want to make like a triangle shape. So I'm gonna show you now. You're gonna wanna have a shape similar to this, and you just have to glue them all together. Or to make it even easier, you could just do you can only use 3. You could do it like that, and it spins. But I'm gonna do the 4 one. Actually, instead I'm gonna do the 3 one. So I'm gonna see if I like that. Then if I don't, I'm gonna do the 4 one. Alright. So you're gonna wanna glue the bearings to each other with really sticky glue. So I'm using hot glue. You're not gonna want to put that much. I put a little too much. You're just gonna want to hold them together for about 30 seconds so they really stick. Alright, I'm gonna glue them together, then get right back to you. Alright guys, so I know it's a little sloppy, but I just glue them together. I'm did the 3 one. It's kind of hard, but it spins. So I'm not done yet, because now I'm gonna take this grab a shoelace and to cut off this end. So go do that. So I cut it off. It'd be easier if you actually use scissors, but I can't find any. But now you have to use your lighter too, or matches. So you put it down like this, then light it onto the bearing, so it like stays and melts there. So I'm gonna do that now. And try to get your finger kind of not close to it. I'm trying this now. Or you could hot glue gun it, because the lighter wasn't working for me for some reason. So it's basically finished. I know it kind of looks like crappy, but it works good. And do you know how this folds off? You could also just glue that to the sides. So I'm gonna do that now. Then you see these holes? You want to put hot glue in there too. Alright, so I glue the sides and I glue those holes. I know it looks a little messy, you just have to take the remaining excess off. And then, oh, it spins pretty good. And it works well. So, I honestly didn't think this is gonna work, but it actually worked better than I thought. So, this is really, really cool. And thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys, please leave a like, subscribe, and comment for more tutorials if you like them. So I hope this helped you guys, and yeah, peace.